Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Peyton, and Maddie, and Malia.
We have made a video with each other, but ain't that like a beautiful little...
I know, just imagine that being your wallpaper.
Yeah.
Hang on, and we're going to show you my sister.
And my sister too.
She's adorable. Okay, so
We're just walking down, so we can't go real far. We can only go
yeah, we can only go like from here
to the mailbox.
from the mailbox. So, like from right here, we have to turn.
I think, yeah.
And we can go from up there to the stop sign. Well, actually not to the stop sign, like a little bit closer to the stop sign. And I'm at my Aunt Chat's here. I'm at my Aunt Chat's. We are having a little cookout. We're in Henderson right now. And my sister's so cute. It's a joke.
Okay.
So she's in her little bike right now. And my tablet only can go on selfie mode. So if you guys aren't seeing anything, I'm super sorry. And,
oh, she was dropping something.
what did she drop?
I don't know, but I just had like...
That was my shoe.
Oh.
And, technically, we're just taking a little walk.
And I said, I got a question for you. Why are you a lesbian? They just started laughing like I asked you a question.
Yeah, and here's a car comes. We have to get on the sidewalk. It's so boring. On the sidewalk right now. Okay, anywho. We're going to be switching spots. Okay, so we're going to go from here to the black car and then turn around. Yeah, to the car. Turn.
Oh, yeah, we can. Well, they said we could go on with the stop sign.
No, they didn't. Mama said don't go on the highway. Okay, anywho. Maddie, it's my turn to push them, so you get to hold it. Never mind. Look how beautiful this place is, though. Isn't it just gorgeous?
Let me show the tag, the car tags. You're not supposed to see that.
Why?
They can tell where you live, where your which car is and stuff. You're just not supposed to tell.
Sorry for the paint screen.
Oh, that's coming.
How do we move? I think we should just go back up the road. Let's go.
Hey, it's not the
Right.
light.
Anywho.
Oh yeah, put it a little bit more down, like
Well, I can see her. Okay, let's walk now. Come on. Maddie, let's go. Anyway. Okay. Alright. Let's continue on. Oh, and by the way, guys, if my thing stops recording on itself and I'm trying to say something, that's because my tablet has a certain time for my videos to start. So, if I had this video on for an hour, it would probably cut off before or right at 1 hour. And here we are at this beautiful tree again. Just imagining having this as your wallpaper.
That would be so cute, though.
And so oh, it's raining. Oh God, it's raining. It's only sprinkling. Sister, it's fine. My tablet buzzes. My straw. Okay. Anywho,
Not even sparkling.
it was. I saw some pictures of rain. Anywho, here's my sister. Maddie's gonna have to tell me if it's recording because my thing's on selfie mode. It's recording. Both of y'all.
My face ain't in it. But her.
You're gonna have to tell me who's behind me too. I'm sure they can't see us. Turn around. Let's get some beautiful views of these faces. Ain't it beautiful? Maddie, she's wearing a pineapple romper with some gold shoes. Fabulous. And Malia's wearing a cute little tutu with some really cute toenails that look exactly like mine.
And it looks exactly like none of mine. My nails are mine.
And again, we're at this tree, which is absolutely beautiful. I need you guys to see it. Again, imagine this being your wallpaper. You guys probably won't like it, but it's beautiful.
It doesn't look the good on paper. Let's turn around and look back.
Oh my God, this car's everywhere. I swear to God, it was right there, and then it was right here, and now it's over there. What the heck? Anyway, I hope it stops, because I'm getting tired of walking on the sidewalk and watching them come back and turn around.
Now, if they do that, then they do.
I know, right? You guys probably can't see me. I can't see myself right now. Pink screen.
Well, we just started just going down. And we was all the way up there like we was when Bruce came.
I think
and it just
my
came
camera
pouring down rain.
I think my
What
camera
would we
broke.
do?
If it, wait, say it again.
You remember when Bruce came? Like, get on. Because that boy just come back. You remember when Bruce came and was way down there?
Mm-mm.
Well, when he just came and got us, what if it just came pouring down rain?
We would have had to put Malia in the car, and we would all have to get in the car.
No, like, what if he didn't never come?
Then we would have. I would have told you to turn back anyway, so it wouldn't matter.
It would be all wet on Malia.
No, it wouldn't be all wet on Malia, because Malia has that sun thing.
That?
Yeah, that could help her get. If you push it up higher.
Like that?
Yeah, she won't get rain on her. You guys, smart equals power is what my shirt says. My thing is on. What does that mean? I think if it's okay, I'm gonna show you guys one more thing of Maddie and Malia, and then we'll end the video. Okay. So again, Maddie, you're gonna tell me if this was recording, both of y'all. Is it?
Yep. Go down. Hang on. Stay right there.
Okay, back here.
Look at beautiful Malia.
She's so cute. Okay. Okay, Malia. Honk your horn, everybody. Goodbye. Say bye-bye. Bye, guys.
So the cars
bye.
in front of us, like a Power Wheel or something, or like another one with her friends, and a Power Wheel in a car shooting bugs. Help! Hurry up!
Okay, guys. I will see you guys in another video, which means I'm probably going to make another one today. But, oh God, it's sprinkling already. It's sprinkling right now, so I'm going to go ahead and end the video. Maddie, say goodbye.
I was so ugly in this video, though. Bye. And say bye, Malia. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. She's like, put that shade back on me.
Okay. Bye, guys. Peace out. Love you guys.